Hey everyone, welcome to the GoProMail review. My name is Govind and welcome to you on Tech Evoke. This is the official website and the sales page of GoProMail. So first let's talk about what is GoProMail exactly. So GoProMail is an email marketing software which is capable to schedule your mail, to automate your mail, to track your mails, to track your link clicks and lots of things. Okay, so what vendor said on the uh, official website of GoProMail, this is the sick and tired of expensive auto responders that constantly fail to deliver. Finally cracked new get response killer. So they openly said get response killer. So get response is an email marketing software, ordinary email marketing software, and you most of you are used this software, and they clearly said on their sales page get response killer. So if you want to save your expenses which are monthly basis or yearly basis on regular email marketing softwares, then you can save your expenses with this software. Okay, lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with built-in smtp for one-time fee. So this is all true. They are not saying any fake commitment, and you will see how you will get benefited with GoProMail. Okay, so this is the video where you will get all the in-depth details about GoProMail and the short demonstration of its working, and I have something excited for you. Here is my review of GoProMail. You will see that this is the Tech Evoke website, and I have something special for you, that are my bonuses. Okay, so these are my bonuses. You can get these bonuses details on the link which is available on the description. Okay, so when you go down on the description of this video, you will find my GoProMail review, and then you have to go to the bonuses from Tech Evoke, and here are the bonuses. You can check each and every bonuses. If you like any bonus or two bonus or all the bonuses, you can buy the GoProMail from my link, and you will get these all bonuses absolutely free. Okay, along with these bonuses, you will get the GoProMail official bonuses here. So this is the sales page, again the website, official website of GoProMail. So here are the bonuses. You will get the email list management secret guide, and also list building expert secret, and the email monetizer secrets, and email list secret, lead generation on demand. So these are the bonuses you will get from the vendor side absolutely for free. So don't further doing delay, just let's go to the members area and the dashboard of GoProMail. So this is the dashboard, and I have accessed the front end of GoProMail. If you go for further upgrades, you already know about the Warrior Plus and JVZoo products. So this is the product is from Warrior Plus, and every software has its audios and the upgrades. Okay, so in front end you will get these features. Okay, fully next generation cloud based autoresponder with built-in smtp. Okay, these audio details you will also find with my GoProMail review. You can go to the link which is on the description, and you will find the audio details here. Okay, you will never find the audio details on the sales page of GoProMail. This is additional for you from my side, from this channel. Okay, so here is the price value. Price will be vary from $14 to $17, and these are the features you will get with front end. Okay, if you go for audio one, you will get these things. Okay, send automated sequences. In front end you will not able to send sequences. You will automate the mail but not in a sequence. Okay, So advanced analytics, email bounce checker, and lots of things are here. You can check. I'm not wasting all the time here, because if I explain you each and everything, this video will be very longer. So I have to go to the members area and the dashboard of GoProMail. Okay, so the best thing is about GoProMail, that is, this is only for one time. Okay, so the cons of every email marketing software is they are on the basis of monthly payment, and you have to pay monthly. And if you increase your subscriber, if you increase your list above than 500, above than 1500, then you will have to upgrade also. So GoProMail has no restrictions. You can upload unlimited list, you can capture unlimited leads on its list area, and you can send to all of them without any upgradation, without any charges. With the one time charges only, you will get all the things unlimited. Okay, so how you can perform on GoProMail? So this is the dashboard, and once I go to the list, okay, so here is one lead, and you can create a list here, and after that you can get the API key. And as per the other softwares which are responsible for email marketing, you can attach your API keys with your website and then choose your list. Okay, so this is the list. You are very familiar about this because you are here to watch my video to get the GoProMail, which is the email marketing software. Okay, so I'm going to the next option, which is the campaigns. Okay, so what type of campaigns you can create with GoProMail? Once I zoom this side, you will see that you can send regular emails, autoresponders, and send to groups, geo opens. Okay, so here are also something exciting for you. You have seen here only these options, but if I create a campaign here, once I name it, and my name is GoProMail Demo, and then what type of email I want to create here, email campaign I want to create a regular email, and I have to choose a list. This is my list, and then segment. In your list you can also segment some of the leads there, and also this is a group, so my group is this, and send group. So this is optional, you can go to the save and next, and then this is a from email, so you don't have to attach your emails. Okay, you can generate every time new emails, just like active campaign and some other similar type of email marketing software. So this is the from mail, and this is the reply to mail. Okay, this is the to mail. So this is a subject, welcome to the customers, and then here are the tracking. So this is the thing I wanted to show you here. So this is the thing, and ultimately this can be comparable to the get response and other regular email marketing software. So you can track your emails, open tracking, and the URL tracking, whether a customer have clicked on your link or not, which is available on your mail, and also plain text email. You can track these things with only the front end. This is the front end only. I haven't upgraded its OTOs. If you upgrade it, then you will find lots of things also. Okay, so this is it, and after you save, you have to choose the template. So once I go to the template, I can show you what are the templates are here. Okay, so these are the templates I have created, categories. So I'm showing you the templates here. So these are the templates already available, because this is a front end, so you have seen here a minimum templates, but if you go for the upgrades, you will get all over the templates also. What is the functionality of creating any of the mail? I want to show you. Okay, so that you can compare it with the regular email marketing softwares. Okay, so once I create I want to choose a name, and the type regular, list is this, and then segment, no segment, group is dope, and then save. And now from email subject, welcome, and then these settings I want to as it is, and then save and next, and then the template name. So I can save any of my creation, any of my campaign as a template. Okay, so I want to name this a template, that is test, and then only plain no, auto plain text no. So here what you can do, okay, toggle templates. So once you click, you will see that all the MailChimp campaign creation tools, also if you use a get response, if you use the active campaign, then all the features are here. You can add text, box text, divider, images. So any type of email you want to create, you can create here. Okay, so one lacking is here only. If you go for only front end, you will not get the landing page option here. Okay, so you will not get any landing page creation tool. So this can be a disadvantage of this one-time payment email marketing software tool. But in overall, I want to recommend you, this is the very affordable software that can automate your email marketing with only single payment. Okay, so from my opinion, this software is fit for your email marketing, and you can go without any hesitation, without any thinking. You can go with this with only $16. You will get this software front end. You can check what are the features, how can you benefit. The one thing is very good for this software, that is unlimited leads and unlimited messages. There is no credit system, there is no maximum limit of list of your leads. So this is very good for this email marketing software. You can go freely. So if you decided to go with the GoProMail, then don't forget to go with my link. My link is available here, and also if you click on the image, also there are lots of buttons. You can go with these. Okay, visit the official website, and then if you go with my link, you will get these bonuses absolutely free. Okay, so along with these, you can go GoProMail, and you will get the vendors bonuses also, which I have shown you recently. Okay, these are the bonuses. Okay, so if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also like this video, and stay connected to get the latest offers of JVZoo Warrior Plus